Ken Garcia with Dr. Sylvia Kerr, KenG Fence owner. We were here for 2 weeks doing a car wreck and taking some trees down that would have fallen anyway. The fence is all fixed. We did a bunch of metal posts and cut trees down, and someone else is hauling them off. And are you happy with the job, Doctor?
Yes, indeed. Thank you.
And the job is completed. It took us 2 weeks, and we're very happy with everything. And if Doctor's happy, everyone's happy, we're on our way out of here. Thank you, Doctor. Appreciate all your time and appreciate this opportunity. Had we done work for you in the past?
Yeah, we did a job a couple of years ago.
Excellent. Well, it's good to do business with you again. We sure appreciate you. You got a 4-year warranty on our work, so anything that comes up, call me. Got plenty of cards. Take care. Ken Garcia, over and out. 720-431-0927, KenGFence.com. Thank you.